Oh my God. The sous vide is on. Cooking. Yes, what is it? What's in the pot? It's a knife. It's cooking a knife. It will be... Oh my God, what is that? Beef tenderloin steak. The knife is just there to make sure that it's in the water. It will be yummy, 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 yummy.
For how long it's been there?
When we gotta eat it, it's been there around 3 hours.
Okay.
Super duper. Here we got the steaks coming up from the sous vide. It is beef tenderloin. And it doesn't look great. We gotta sear it now, but I was making a gravy also. So what we need to do is pat those dry here. And then we gotta give them some flame torch. So now we're basically just gonna sear them off here. Oh. And as you can see here, it's a good idea to actually use some metal on, but this is just an old chopping board. So this is how you do it. So
Want to start?
let's see how it looks inside.
Whoa.
And you'll see in a moment it will get more red. We got some oxygen. You can see how juicy it is.
Yum.
So that's what we gotta eat.
I'm impressed.
You should be.
Good job.
I know.